guys and welcome back. Today we have managed to finally get our hands on these Blitzwolf BW ES6 wired dual dynamic earphones that are priced at £7. That's around 10 in US dollars. The packaging itself is simplistic, with a QR code that takes you direct to the Blitzwolf website. Let's quickly go ahead and delve inside. And what we have is a simple user manual. We do have two sets of spare ear tips, our earphone cable clip, and the Blitzwolf earphones themselves. Ooh, real nice. So these particular earphones today only come in black, I'm afraid. They have a cable length of 1.2 meters. Oh, that's quite lengthy. Feeling quite durable, with an included volume slider module attached. On that module you have included a play pause call answering and previous next track selection button. Now you do get a single pin microphone just here, but what we also get is a larger size microphone for better precise voice pickup, helping to decrease that ambient noise. Those 8mm dual dynamic driver units are encased in a very cool metal ergonomic designed shell. Very refreshing placing them within your ears that actually, you know what, sit very nice and snug. That is after fitting my preferred larger size ear tips, which is very important for you to do, not only for you to receive better sound, but to get a better sound seal too. You have that 3.5mm connection to the opposite end of that cable. That comes with its own plastic protective cover. That's nice to see. So these BW ES6 earphones can be used in two different ways. One, by placing part of the wire over your head just like so, manoeuvring that large size microphone round to the rear of your neckline, keeping them quite stable within your ears, which makes these earphones sturdy enough to utilise with sports activities, etc. The second way of using these earphones is to remove that earphone wire from over your head, placing the earphones back in your ears, adjusting the microphone with these side plastic ties, resting that large mic up on your chin. Okay, it's not a great look to have in public, but I guess it's designed like this for such activities like gaming, etc. Alright, the microphone quality itself isn't too bad, but if you've got a beard just like I have, and if that larger sized microphone is rested up on your chin, then while moving around, you will indeed hear some rustling. Nevertheless, it is a good choice for voice calls, basic for gaming. So we're actually using these earphones right now on my mobile phone, but unfortunately the microphone when plugged into a PS5 console or even a PS4 console, well, that microphone unfortunately won't work. So no, not compatible with PS4 or PS5, I'm afraid. But we've got the mobile phone and we're going to play a quick game. So yes, the microphone quality is not too bad, to be honest. It's very loud. Got a good voice pickup. You can actually pick up a few interference sound, especially as it's rustling on my beard. Can you hear that? Yeah. And I'd like to mention also that you will get a tiny bit of distortion, especially when you're shouting, just like this. Yeah! Boy! Get him to his knees. Audio using these Blitzwolf BW ES6 earphones is surprisingly loud, blocking out noise from the outside world, supplying high fidelity sound, good quality bass, that's refreshingly not too over the top like some cheaper budget earphones like to do. You know, packing loads of bass in just to cover up all the other poor tones. So indeed we do get crystal clear treble, above average high tones, that didn't feel uncomfortable after playing different genres of music over a vast amount of time. Now I have personally used these Blitzwolf earphones at work for a good number of hours, and I do love the pin drop polarity between both drivers. The sound direction is real good with these particular earphones. I must say, sitting within my top 4 wired earphones that I've reviewed. Overall, even though the initial packaging looked kind of cheap and minimal, I'm surprised how these earphones not only performed, but at how unique they actually looked too. Very unusual, very useful, and although these days wireless earphones have definitely won me over, well, I must say that these wired earphones are fantastic. Not only that, but they've got a great cable length, and I can definitely say that they are on par with those previous Blitzwolf BW ES3 earphones, which are still excellent earphones by the way. I would definitely advise you to check that review out when you can. Or in fact, check out the BlitzWolf AIRAUX AA HE1s. 2 previous sets of earphones that are outstanding for such a low price. Now I will leave those video links at the end of this video in the video description too, as well as the buy it now links for these BW ES6 earphones today. And I guess if I was to rate these earphones out of my usual rating out of 10 today, then I think I'm gonna give them a 9 out of 10. And that's because, well, that cable when it's in your pocket, it does tangle up a lot. And that's because of the material of that wire. It's PVC. Thought. Again, I'm not affiliated in any way, so why not check them out? And if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? While you're there, guys, in the video description, I'd very much appreciate it if you smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, making sure, yes, you hit that bell notification option, otherwise you won't get the updates for my new uploads. As usual, guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you very much for watching today. Peace!